Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to use DeepSeek on your Android phone step by step. DeepSeek is an advanced AI similar to ChatGPT, designed to help with writing, coding, answering questions, and more. It has been gaining a lot of attention because of its fast responses and accuracy. But if you're new to it and don't know how to use it on your phone, don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to install, set up, and use DeepSeek on your Android device. So let's get started. First, you need to download the DeepSeek AI app. Head over to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search for DeepSeek AI Assistant. Once you find it, tap Install to begin downloading. The app is lightweight, but make sure your device has enough storage space for smooth performance. Also, ensure your phone is running the latest version of iOS or Android for the best experience. After installing the app, you'll see the DeepSeek icon on your home screen. Open it, and you'll need to log in. You can sign in using your Google account, Apple ID, or another available method. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one within the app by entering your email and setting a password. Keep your login details handy in case you need them later for account recovery or troubleshooting. Once logged in, you'll see the main chat interface, which looks similar to ChatGPT. At the top left corner, you'll find a button with two horizontal lines. Tapping it lets you access your previous chats. If you want to start a new chat, simply tap the button in the top right corner. This feature is useful when you want to organize different conversations or revisit past interactions. Now, let's start using DeepSeek AI. To ask a question, simply type it in the chat box at the bottom. For example, you can ask, "When was the first computer made?" DeepSeek AI will respond almost instantly, sometimes even faster than ChatGPT. You can ask factual, creative, or even complex analytical questions. DeepSeek AI is designed to handle all kinds of queries. If you're unsure what to ask, DeepSeek AI suggests common questions or topics in a sidebar. This can help you explore its capabilities without having to come up with questions on your own. If you need more advanced responses, you can enable DeepSeek R1, which provides even more detailed and structured answers. The best part? You can test this feature for free before deciding to upgrade. DeepSeek also allows you to fetch information from the web. If you want real-time updates, tap the search icon and enable web search. For example, if you ask, "Which country has the hottest temperature right now?" DeepSeek will take a bit longer to respond, but will fetch accurate data directly from the internet. Keep in mind that this feature isn't always active. You need to enable it manually when needed. Another useful feature is the ability to upload files. By tapping the plus icon, you can upload images, PDFs, and text documents. This allows DeepSeek AI to analyze and assist with files, whether it's extracting text, summarizing content, or answering questions based on a document. If this option isn't available in your app yet, don't worry. It's expected to roll out in future updates. Now, let's look at the Profile and Settings section. Tap the menu icon at the bottom to access your profile. Here, you can manage your account, check chat history, and customize settings. If you want to change the app's language, tap App Language and select your preferred language from the list. To switch between light and dark mode, go to Color Scheme and choose between System, Dark, or Light mode. You can also check your subscription status and upgrade to Premium for more advanced features like extended chat history and AI-generated document analysis. If you ever need to log out for security reasons or troubleshooting, you can do so directly from the profile page. Simply tap on the logout option at the bottom, and you will be logged out from the account. And that's it, guys. That's how you can use DeepSeek AI on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech guides. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.